My personal definition of design is making things better for people. Everything that I do starts with people, their emotional needs and their physical needs, and draws the technology or the capability towards that goal. There's no point in just throwing technology at the wall and hoping that it's going to have some sort of appropriateness. It's got to start with people. People often ask me what my favourite projects have been, and there are lots of answers to that. One of them that certainly sticks in my mind was a brassiere that we designed on television at Seymourpowell, and that was a fascinating project for lots of reasons. First of all, it's a perfect example of design. By that I mean one is doing something for somebody else, not oneself. So to put yourself into that position, not physically, but mentally into that position, and then to understand the problems, gave us a massive advantage as a non-bra wearer. I had to learn lots of things that aren't habits that I would already have taken on. The oblique approach, the fact that one isn't inured with the use of the thing, also gave a clarity that wouldn't otherwise be there. And it revealed a lot of other issues, such as what I call standing waves, things that had stayed the same just because they'd stayed the same. No one even knows how the sizing system began in bras. They have no idea. We basically had an open door to walk through to change things, and that's what we did. And came up with something that wasn't in itself a bra. It was a new way of making a bra that used architectural principles to ensure that what you got was a great result. You could also put the bra in the washing machine. You could maltreat it in a way that you can't at the moment without a piece of wire coming out. While we were actually developing the bioform, as we called it, it was clear that we needed something that wouldn't be a wire, something that wouldn't stick into you. So we looked at the biology of support. And of course, if you look at how a chicken is put together, see the muscle structures are working against a keel in the center, which is the sternum. It is the breastplate, if you like, at the front of the rib cage. But what was interesting about that was that, of course, there was the bone, but then there was a cartilaginous component, which is strong but flexible. There's quite a lot of inspiration in that. You know, you find your inspiration in different places. That was a fascinating example of a project where you absolutely are not the recipient of the product, but therefore you can take a perspective on it that you otherwise would not have.